Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna provide my analysis as when do I expect that express entry for Canada where federal skill worker and CEC programs would be started again. So before I proceed further, I would like to clarify that whatever I say in this video has no legal validity because this is totally based on my research and analysis, and it could be absolutely wrong as well, and it may start even tomorrow. So guys, we know that for a so long period, nothing has been started yet. And although there were a lot of speculations and other things, I don't see any possibility for at least next 3 to 4 months. I would tell you why and I would explain each and everything. But again, this is just my opinion. It may start tonight itself. So guys, Canada is already struggling hard with the backlogs, and while the government was trying hard to cover the backlogs in the month of January, and even like from December, like they were trying really hard to cover the backlogs and then resume fresh applications. What happened? The Ukrainian crisis surfaced, and still there is no hope of it going down because we are already in the second month of the war. More than 50 days have crossed and still there is no end in sight. Having said that, it can end any time, and we all want it to end any time because of the humanitarian crisis going through it. But ultimately, it's not something that we know for sure that when exactly it's gonna end. So that means the special measurements, the special programs, the dedicated resources, all those steps taken by IRCC are gonna be there for some time at least until things do come under control. And at this time, we really don't know when. So, having said that, it's really not possible now in my opinion, to resume the draws again. So I'm saying 3 to 4 months because even if the war gets over, let's say in another 10 days, 20 days, just next day they're not gonna take the resources back to the original programs they have been taken. So that is why I think that it's gonna take time. So I think at least 3 to 4 months it will take, but again, this is just my opinion. So I'll keep you guys updated whatever is happening here. Thanks for watching.